Other than the ordinary materials, the surface materials we reviewed, there are other types of materials that you'll see. For example, wire. This wire material only shows you the edges of a primitive, the edges of the polygons of an object. So, if I have a sphere here, you'll see that this is only going to show you the, well, sorry, I made a mistake. This is currently set as nothing right now, but if we set this as wire again, you'll see the wires of the sphere. Another material you'll see is, click new, is volume. So when you speak of volume, it determines the density. If someone says volume, you think of the density of an area, or an area. So this is actually the same thing. So if you render this, you'll kind of see like a cloud-like material. So it's something like fog. So if you like make it even dense, it's gonna be dense, and the less it is, it's gonna be less dense. So, and also when there are like light sources, this emission lets you like make this kind of shine, but not actually shine, but at least glow, like glowing fog. So if we have this back to 0, and if we add reflection to a higher point, it will like reflect the color of external lights. Let's see if it works here. So yeah, you'll see that there's this light source over here, and you see that the dust, or this dust looking volume material, is reflecting the light source. Beautiful, isn't it? And transmission color is basically, it doesn't actually do much, but that will be mostly in fire smoke simulations, so you don't need to touch this many times, but emission and reflection, they're important for volume. And also another material you can play with is halo. So halo is kinda weird. It doesn't matter if your object or object is any like a primitive. This halo thing just only counts these. So if you render this, you'll see like weird shining things. So you can actually like delete every of these. Sorry, wait a sec. I'm having problems today. You can delete the other vertices. I have only one of this left because only vertices count for halos. And if you render this, you'll see this shining thing. And note that this is just an effect. It's not actually glowing or anything. It's just a 2D effect, but it kind of adds the glow, kind of. So here you'll see like some more settings for the rings. If you can add rings, lines, and star tips for extra shining effects. So you can actually customize the numbers. We can add more rings, more lines. Oh well, I'll be honest, I do not like that. But you can add more star tips. Yeah, but I personally like just 4 star tips. And flare is mostly about the motion of this. You see how these move, right? However, it's kind of buggy and laggy, so for those effects, I recommend you to use After Effects or other compositing tools But if you can use this in Blender, but I recommend you not to because it's buggy a lot of times.